Indulge in the comfort of entering a warm car on chilly or snowy days with the convenience of a parking heater. This device ensures a consistent and cozy temperature of 21 degrees C throughout the year. You have the option to power it either with fuel or electricity, with the latter proving to be 40% more cost-effective. The heaters come with automatic temperature adjustment, and for those in a hurry, the quick mode efficiently warms up the car in just 15 minutes. Explore the diesel version of this heater, available at a price of $913. SEASUCKER, a collective of snowboarders, fishermen, and experienced cyclists, empathizes with the challenges of transporting gear such as fishing rods and skis. That's why they've developed specialized racks, extending their expertise even to boats. However, our focus today is on their car racks tailored for skis and snowboards. Explore the Palavicini model, capable of accommodating up to 4 snowboards or 2 pairs of skis. It securely attaches to metal, glass, and fiberglass surfaces. Opting for the versatile classic model also proves useful in the summer for carrying fishing rods. The Pallini is priced at $375, while the Classic is available for $425. These heaters serve a dual purpose by efficiently removing snow and ice from your windshield while preventing fog buildup. Simply plug them into your car's cigarette lighter, and they are ready to operate. You can acquire one for a cost of $27. Carlock Ds are widely favored by drivers, with many choosing sprays like the Goodyear spray for a compelling reason. This spray not only defrosts the lock, but also provides lubrication, creating a protective film to prevent refreezing. Additionally, an instrument resembling a lockpick proves effective due to its heating element. The spray is accessible for $3, while a pair of DESA keychains comes at a cost of $18. Let's enhance the warmth in our video with these heaters. The initial one wraps around the battery, providing a temperature 15 to 21 degrees C above the ambient level. SG Direct leads the way in automotive accessories, and their steering wheel cover stands out as a practical and convenient upgrade. Designed to fit steering wheels with a diameter of 37 to 38 centimeters, this cover comes with a heating feature powered from the cigarette lighter socket. Crafted from velour, it provides a non-slip grip and is odor-free. The innovators behind TUSK assert that it's the essential adventure tool you didn't realize you needed. This shovel proves useful not only in a zombie apocalypse, according to them, but it's also excellent for digging out your car and clearing snow and ice from windows, thanks to its integrated scraper. Crafted from polymer with a robust steel main plate, it has undergone testing, successfully enduring the weight of a car, driving over it without any issues. Remarkably lightweight at just 650 G, this shovel comes with a price tag of $58. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.